Hi, this is Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these star cut earrings. We have kits to make these available at cherrytreebeads.com. We offer them in 6 different gemstone options. We have clear quartz, amethyst, onyx, blue amazonite, rose quartz, and azurite. Today I'm going to show you how to make them using the azurite. The things that you see here will be available in the kit. You'll get 4 different sizes of brass hoops, 2 of each, 2 of the star cut beads of your choosing, 2 head pins, 10 jump rings, although you'll only need 8, and a pair of ear wires. The tools do not come in the kit, but you will need at least a pair of round nose pliers, cutters, and another pliers, round nose, chain nose, flat nose, something to hold the other side. To start these earrings, I'm going to put the star cut bead on the head pin. Then I'm going to put my pliers up against the star cut as close as I can get it. And then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to move the head pin at a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to put my pliers in at where I bent it and bring it around. That's going to make a nice loop. Then I'm going to hold the loop and coil it back around till it touches the bead. And then I'm going to take my cutters and nip off the end. Okay, next I'm going to take one head pin or jump ring, and I'm going to take my pliers on one side and the pliers on the other side, and I'm going to gently twist it and open it up. And then I'm going to add on my star cut bead on the head pin and the hoop. And I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to gently close it back together. And you have the first center complete. Now that we have the star cut bead attached to the jump ring and the smallest hoop, we're going to grab the second from smallest hoop and attach that. We're going to do this with another jump ring. This one's already open. So I'm going to attach the hoop and then I'm going to attach it to the jump ring. Then I'm going to close it up. We have 2 attached. Now I'm going to grab the third from the smallest and attach that with another jump ring. Take the jump ring, attach the hoop, and then I'm going to attach it to the last jump ring. And then I'm going to grab the pliers and close it up. And I'm going to do the same thing for the last one. I'm going to attach the jump ring to the hoop, and then I'm going to attach it to the last jump ring. Close that shut. And then the last step is I'm going to attach the ear wire. So I'm simply going to open that up at the bottom loop, twist it to the side gently, and attach that to the last jump ring. And there you have it. What we love about these earrings is the way that they're 3D and the way that they hang. They look like the universe and planets. Kits are available at cherrytreebeads.com. Star cut earring kit.